Music always interrupted? That feeling of immersion broken again and again. People are searching for the answer, a device that truly understands music. Now, Hidizs joins hands with Linsol. Together, we bring you AP80 Pro Max, the all-in-one high-res streaming music player. Features CNC aluminum and dual glass. Solid, durable, yet stylish. No internet? No problem. Just insert a card and you'll enjoy endless high-res music from local storage. Clear display, effortless one-hand control. Ergonomic volume wheel, smooth and precise, while 3 physical buttons make every action quick and intuitive. Powered by dual S DAC chips, it delivers true high-res audio with top-tier resolution support. Wherever you go, even in the noise, high-res sound goes with you. With 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, no downloads required. Simply connect your account for pure high-res streaming on Tidal, Qobuz, and more. Versatile 3.5mm and 4.4mm outputs. Rock-solid power, rich detail. Running on HiBiOS system with customized EQ, PEQ, and MSEB tuning. From classical to pop and rock. Fine-tune your soundstage, tonality, and dynamics. Start your tuning journey. Let music spark inspiration. Simply pair it with your headphones via Bluetooth connection. Enjoy wired level hi-fi. Rich, clear, deep, commute, workout, or at home. High-res freedom anytime, anywhere. Thanks to independent audio frequency oscillators. Jitter is reduced, timing stays accurate, and every musical detail comes through crystal clear. AP80 Pro Max, redefining music with professional hi-fi sound. Wherever you are, it takes you back into music, pure, lasting enjoyment. Power through your day with 12-hour playback. Hidizs and Linsol, your high-quality portable music companion.